Hi everybody, my name is Leah Taylor and I'm the Community Recreation Coordinator here in Wainwright. If you're like me, you'll eat ice cream every chance you get. So today we're going to make a healthy alternative to ice cream that's fun and you can do it with your kids. For today's recipe, you will need the following: frozen bananas, these can be whole or sliced, 2 cups of frozen raspberries or any other fruit, half a cup of milk, I'm using lactose free, but you can use any type of milk you like, and a food processor or a strong blender. Start by adding your bananas to the food processor. If they are whole like mine, warm them up in the microwave for 20 seconds to loosen the peels. Next, add your frozen fruit. Raspberries and strawberries add tartness, but any combination of fruit will taste great. Finally, add your milk. The quantity may vary depending on the blender or food processor model you are using. Put the lid on and press go. You are looking for a smooth consistency in the mix. You can put your ice cream in the freezer for 1 hour to harden it up. If you're like me and you can't wait, serve your ice cream into bowls and enjoy. This recipe was fun and easy to make, and you can make it in any combination with any fruits that you like the best, or any spices that you're interested in as well. Tell us which ones you used in the comments below.